English lesson. A healthy lifestyle. Living a healthy lifestyle is important for both the body and the mind. I wake up early and begin my day with light exercise. It helps me stay active and improves my energy levels. After exercising, I take a shower and eat a nutritious breakfast. I avoid junk food and drink plenty of water. During the day, I try to stay positive and manage stress by taking short breaks and breathing deeply. I also enjoy reading or listening to calm music. These habits keep my mind fresh and focused. In the evening, I go for a walk or do yoga. Physical activity is good for my heart and muscles. At night, I eat a light dinner and avoid screens before bed. I try to sleep at the same time every day, so my body gets proper rest. A healthy lifestyle is not just about eating good food, but also about having good habits. It takes discipline, but the benefits are long lasting. I feel stronger, more confident, and happy when I take care of myself. Vocabulary words with meanings. Lifestyle. The way a person lives. Exercise. Physical activity to stay fit. Active. Full of movement or energy. Energy. Strength to do work or activities. Nutritious. Healthy and full of good nutrients. Positive. Thinking in a good or hopeful way. Focused. Paying full attention. Discipline. Self-control to follow good habits. Manage. To control or handle something. Avoid. To stay away from something bad.